Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate worlds in Minecraft. Duplicating your worlds is a fantastic way to experiment with new builds, test redstone contraptions, or simply create a backup before making significant changes. We will cover two primary methods: manual file duplication and, for Bedrock players, the convenient in-game copy feature. Understanding these techniques ensures you can always revert to a previous version or explore new possibilities without risking your original creations. Let's learn how to safeguard your precious Minecraft adventures. The first method involves manually copying your world files. Begin by locating your Minecraft saves folder, which is typically found in your game directory. Once inside, identify the folder corresponding to the world you wish to duplicate. Simply copy this entire folder and then paste it back into the same saves directory. Remember to rename the newly pasted folder immediately to something distinct, like My World Copy, to avoid confusion. This creates a completely separate, identical copy of your world. For those playing Minecraft Bedrock Edition, there's an even simpler in-game method. From the main menu, navigate to your worlds list. Select the world you want to duplicate, then click on the pencil icon to access its settings. Scroll down until you find the Copy World button. Clicking this will instantly create an exact duplicate of your world, which will appear in your world list with copy appended to its name. This is a quick and efficient way to get a new version. To ensure a smooth experience, always back up your original world before making any major modifications to a copy. Use clear, descriptive names for your duplicated worlds so you can easily identify them later. Remember that while the manual method works for both Java and Bedrock, the in-game copy feature is exclusive to Bedrock Edition. With these tips, you are now ready to confidently duplicate your Minecraft worlds and explore endless creative possibilities without fear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.